Hi, welcome to the AllCasesHere. In this video we are going to talk about the 4 best iPhone 13 mini cases you can buy on Amazon. Please subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon for more videos. This list is based on my personal opinion and research and lists them based on quality, features and pricing. If you want more information and updated pricing on the products mentioned, be sure to check the links in the description below. If you want to keep your mini iPhone as safe as possible, you should look into the best iPhone 13 mini cases. With rumors that this will be the last small iPhone for a while, you'll want to keep it going for as long as possible. We appreciate Apple's well-executed miniaturization of the standard iPhone 13, but no matter how tough it is not indestructible. If you want something a little flashier, a case can help with that as well as give the phone a unique design. So, whether you want a super tough case or something stylish and slim, here are our picks for the best iPhone 13 mini cases. Also, look at the best. I have prepared this video guide for the 4 best iPhone 13 mini cases, so let's get started. 4. Caseology. Caseology creates some really vibrant and beautiful phone cases, with our favorite being the Here Comes the Sun Color Block Sunset Clear case, which features a beautiful sunset scene over rolling colorful sand dunes. All of this is layered over a clear panel at the top, allowing the color scheme of your iPhone mini to shine through the sun's rays. Even though Caseology's offering looks great, there's no need to be concerned about protection. The case has rounded edges that protect the screen and buttons from hard falls. Even if your phone falls, this stunning sunny case will keep you smiling. Introducing the Classic Collection. The Classic Collection case from Caseology is more than just a pretty cover for your iPhone. It is engineered with hard polycarbonate material, providing 360-degree coverage for your iPhone while remaining super slim and lightweight. For those who are always on the go. Don't keep a dumbbell in your pocket. Ultra slim and ultra sleek. Front lip protection of 1 mm raised. Weight 0.8 ounces. Go wireless. Wireless charging is supported by all classic cases. 3. Mouse. If you want a case that is unique, the Mouse Bamboo iPhone 13 mini case is it. It's comfortable to hold, has a nice wooden finish, and works with all MagSafe accessories. It's slim, even slimmer than the previous Mouse Limitless 3.0 case. Despite this, Mouse AeroShock impact absorbing technology ensures maximum protection. If bamboo isn't your thing, the case is available in 4 other colors, including a nice walnut brown and sleek black leather, and you can pair it with a Mouse MagSafe compatible wireless charger, stand, or card wallet. Limitless 4.0 provides superior security, functionality, and style. Fully MagSafe compliant Limitless 4.0 will work flawlessly with any MagSafe compatible product, including Mouse's MagSafe compatible accessories and Apple's MagSafe chargers and accessories. Ultimate drop and shock resistance. Limitless 4.0 is perfectly constructed to protect your phone from anything you throw at it, thanks to innovative, impact-absorbing AeroShock technology and layers of strong, rigid materials. Slimmer than ever before. We've created an impressively slimline case that doesn't sacrifice compatibility with MagSafe compatible accessories or protection by combining a sophisticated magnet design and ultra-thin, ultra-protective materials. Design thought out and refined. Limitless 4.0 is available in a variety of carefully selected, high-quality materials, ranging from rough and rugged aramid fiber to genuine, one-of-a-kind walnut. 2. Caseology. The Caseology Nano Pop case is said to be inspired by fruit and will make your iPhone 13 mini look new. The case's two-tone design really stands out, and it comes in 5 different colors, all of which look great. The Nano Pop case is made of silicone, so it's comfortable to hold, and Caseology claims it's dust-free. It still provides excellent drop protection, thanks to an inner defense pattern and airspace technology in the corners. Furthermore, it is compatible with MagSafe wireless chargers. Overall, it's a great, stylish case that's also one of the more affordable options on our list. The silicone feel case provides a secure grip while remaining lint and dust-free in your pockets. The camera ring design and bold, contrasting two-tone colors create a sporty and playful look. Provides a snug fit with a slim profile, as well as a raised ring around the camera for added protection. Military-grade protection, wireless charging compatibility, and screen protector compatibility. Caseology Nano Pop Silicone Case for iPhone 13 Mini Case 2021. 1. CaseDefy. CaseDefy's cases are extremely fashionable, and the level of customization available is impressive. They make cases out of recycled plastic and other environmentally friendly materials, and they have MagSafe compatibility as well as different levels of shock protection. There's no doubt that your phone will turn heads when it's protected by a CaseDefy case. The company's design library contains a plethora of amusing and quirky looks. Never regret to eat your spaghetti as a guaranteed conversation starter. Of course, CaseDefy also provides matte and clear options for those who prefer a little more subtlety in their iPhone 13 mini case options. We've created a truly sustainable phone case solution by using 65% recycled and plant-based materials. Our CaseDefy technology used phone cases bioplastic manufacturing. Plastic scraps repurposes phone cases and gives them new life. All cases are shipped in fully recyclable packaging. Furthermore, reusing broken down phone cases cuts our carbon footprint by 20%. Every detail has been fine-tuned to provide maximum protection, superior impact resistance, and ultra-sleek, ultra-slim style. We take a three-pronged approach to security: a lifted camera ring to protect the camera lens, extra QTech 2.0 covered corner bumpers for 360-degree protection, and a raised bezel to protect screens when dropped frontward. So guys, this was the video about the 4 best iPhone 13 mini cases. All the links are given in the description, do check them out. If you enjoyed the video, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more videos. Thank you.